This is the cool looking fruit of the dragon fruit. Soft. You know they're ripe when they're soft. They still have the hard out parts. Then you cut them in half and they have this cool looking center. Cool looking center that you can just slice up. Peels really easy. Break a piece off, feed it to your cameraman.
Good.
They're actually okay. They're not spectacular.
Yeah, they're not that great.
Tastes like
They're
a
okay.
watery cucumber. I expected sweet. I mean, look how beautiful that is. I expected sweet. Not sweet. Kind of
Interesting flavor.
watery cucumber flavored. But beautiful, beautiful fruit. I just love that color. Then of course we're going to take the seeds that fall off and we're going to plant them in sand. Dragon fruit likes heat. So we're going to grow them in our greenhouse and see how they do.
And like everything Vicki plants, they will grow. More later.